Soft-shelled crab's fattening system is very popular because it grows very fast and highly profitable. Raising soft-shelled mud crabs, for a certain period, until their exoskeleton gets hardened, is known as crab fattening system. Soft-shelled crab has huge demand and price in local and international market. So, soft-shelled crab fattening can be a great income source. Soft-shelled mud crab can be mainly found in estuaries, backwaters, mangroves, and coastal areas. For stocking, collect soft-shelled mud crabs from local fishermen or crab merchants. Generally, the soft-shelled crab fattening program is done in cages, pens, and in ponds. Whatever system you use, you will need to have a pond. Brackish water is best suited for soft-shelled mud crab fattening. Pond size can be between 0.1 and 0.6 hectare. The water depth of the pond should be at least 5 feet. Generally, sandy or sandy clay soils are considered best for mud crab fattening. Crab fattening ponds should have a water salinity of 10 ppt to 34 ppt. The temperature should be within 22 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. The dissolved oxygen content of the water should be more than 3 ppm. pH level of the water should be between 8 and 8.5. You will need to prepare the pond perfectly before stocking soft-shelled crabs into it. Pond preparation can be done by draining the pond water, sun-drying, and adding sufficient quantity of lime. Then fill the pond with water during high tide. In the stocking pond, water is generally exchanged in the pond, is carried through tidal water and sluice gates. Generally, soft-shelled mud crabs are stocked in the pond for fattening purposes, with females weighing around 100 grams and males weighing around 200 grams. If you stock the crabs directly into the pond, then the stocking density will be 1 crab per square meter. But, if you stock in cages, then stock 1 crab per cage. You can feed your crabs with small fishes or bivalve meat. Give 40% of the feed early in the morning and the rest in late afternoon. For commercial purpose, crabs need 5 to 8% food of their live body weight. In proper feeding and caring, the crabs will reach marketing weight and be ready for harvesting within 15 to 30 days, or sometime even more. Always try to sell the soft-shelled mud crabs when they are in hard-shelled condition. Selectively harvest marketable sized crabs. Then tie the crabs very carefully, without breaking its legs. You can expect to have a production of 300 to 350 kilograms from a 0.1 hectare pond.